Hi, this is Chris from Blackburn Audi, and this is just a quick video on the A1 that we have in stock. So this particular car is a 1 litre S-Line with 95 brake horsepower. It's finished in glacier white. So look at the front of the car, we can see the S-Line styling, and this car comes with Xenon headlights and LED daytime running lights. Moving down the side of the car, we can see this model is a 3-door. It comes with the 17-inch alloys, S-Line badging at the side. This car's got heated and folding door mirrors. Moving down the back of the car, you can see the S-Line styling continuing with the rear boot spoiler. So looking inside the car, this S-Line model comes with front support seats. It also has an optional panoramic sunroof. It also has Audi's 3-spoke multifunctional steering wheel with cruise control. The automatic headlights. Moving towards the centre of the car, it comes with Audi's MMI system, which has Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio and navigation. Moving down, you can see it comes with air conditioning, and this model comes with Audi's 5-speed manual gearbox. So with this car being an approved used Audi, it comes with 145 check and Audi's warranty and Audi Assist. If you're interested in this car, please contact Blackburn Audi sales team on 01254 668 777. Thank you for watching the video.